Hello and welcome to this supplemental video about making scatter plots on the Mac version of Excel. One way to do so is to select the data with the X and Y values, go to Insert, and click on a normal scatter plot without any lines. We'll add the trend line later. Note that Excel will assume the left column is the X values and the right is Y. If you want to display something different, or add additional values, like if you wanted to display the control and experimental values on the same graph, go to Select Data over here, and you can manually select the values you want to add. Again, the default graph has some formatting issues we want to deal with. Go to the Add Chart Elements button at the top left here. Add axis titles. If you've labeled the columns well, you can just copy and paste the labels as the axis titles. Though Excel does not copy the formatting, so you'll want to Control-click and choose Font to restore the correct subscripts and superscripts. This is actually the most time-consuming part of making these plots. I'm not exactly sure why Excel decided to make the Y column label the title for the graph, but we want to get rid of that anyway. Grid lines are again an aesthetic choice you can take or leave. Now add a linear trend line. Go back to Trendline and choose More Trendline Options. Under Forecast, Backward, you can extend the line back to see where it would cross the X and Y axes. To get a more exact value of how far back to go, you can calculate the x-intercept from the equation of the line. Just plug in 0 for y and solve for x. Speaking of that equation, you can see it by clicking Display Equation on Chart. Now just feel free to make whatever aesthetic changes you'd like. That does it for this supplement. See you next time.